Hello everyone, now I show you PetroHawk Central Alarm Platform. The G30 or G31 panels can be connected to a cloud server or your local server. Step 1. Input password and log in the system. The home page looks very simple. Please click here to enter the main page. The interface used by the 24-hour duty and the alarm receiving center. Here is Google Map. Oh, an alarm message from the G30 control panel pops up. The message includes the address, alarm type, and time. Click to enlarge Google Map, and then click a point on the map will show you G30 panel's detailed information. Step 2. Let's go back home page. Click Device Management button, and then choose Alarm Management menu. Here you can query event logs and alarm records, which can be exported to an Excel file. Actually, the event logs and alarm records can be printed. All data is stored on cloud servers or your local private servers. The menu interface now displays G30 or G31 alarm panel informations and the remote control functions. Click the two buttons. You can control the G30 or G31 to be armed or disarmed. Now check the detailed information of the alarm control panel. I believe you can find all the information you need here. People have been paying attention to the difference between G30 and the G31. G31 is compatible with all the functions of G30, while G31 adds data acquisition functions such as current, voltage, power factor, power consumption, and the frequency. Here users can modify this G30 or G31 panel installation, address, and the user name. Now let me show you how to modify the name and the address. Finally, I'll introduce Central Monitoring System Management, which includes account permission setting and allocation, region division, and the device management function. Due to video time constraint, that concludes today's presentation. Thank you for watching.